Oh god. Oh god. Oh god. Oh god. Oh god, he's coming. Oh god, he's coming. Oh god. Oh god, I'm scared. Oh god, I see his head. Oh god. Oh god. Oh god. I'm so scared. Oh god, he's coming. He's gonna do it.
Open your mouth and see what your cat does.
I don't care how much you bite me. I'm still cutting your nails. You like to scratch? Look at this. You like scratching? Here we go. Now you get your nails clipped. No, I don't care. Now you get your nails clipped. Uh-huh. You're fine. Yeah, I know. But now, since you want to keep scratching and scratching and scratching, this is what we're going to do. I could do it too. Be nice. I know how to hiss just like you. Yeah. I could do it too. Go ahead and bite me and I'll bite you back. Uh-huh. Uh-huh. Your mama. Let's make sure I got them all nice and short. Yes, I know how to cut nails.
Dave, are you hungry? Say yeah!
Do you ever look at someone and wonder what is going on inside their head?
Woody.
Stop that. I dry your eyeballs. Eyeball kiss. What? I sniff. Saltine. Mom, what's wrong? Hey, Mom. What is wrong, Mom? Hey. Hey, Mom. Look at me. It's okay? I be here. Guys, help. I think my cat is broken.